Hey, what's up? What's up, Kazamius? Let me just lower the volume. Give me a second. Okay, I was just listening to music. Yeah, 2 streams in a row. If Victor is holding basement, forced to blink twice. I don't know if you can see me. She's not holding. Help. So it is what it is. Okay, I kinda don't like how chat is just we just can't find a place for the chat. Maybe like something like this. Okay, on this side. Okay. I may need to lower the volume. The music is not helping me very much. So, yeah, 2 streams in a row. Imagine. So yesterday I went home, grabbed 2 beers. It was great. Okay, call the police. Oh no, that girl who likes to dress up bullies you over the internet. They'll find her in 5 seconds. Although they will have to go to the United Kingdom. I hope that's not a problem. Hope that's not a problem. Okay, so I was just working for myself here. I'll let you know. Okay, I got a message. Okay, why is everyone messaging me right now? There was a whole day, but nothing. And just right now. So okay, I don't know if you were here. I think you were here. I mean, you were here yesterday. I just don't know if you were here to the end. I think you were. So just making this thing. Yeah, I'm popular, so to say. But let's just enjoy until Victoria gets here, because I feel she's gonna get here. She told me she's gonna come here. Okay, so let me show you. I added a few things before I started the stream, because when I talk and I need to work and she's constantly talking and trying to correct me, I can't do it. Okay, and I need to talk as well. You know, it's not that easy. She says it's nothing. It should be easy, but not for me apparently. So what I just really quickly did is added a few things like PHP unit tests. So when we need to test, that's gonna be like much easier, you know. So it's basically just a tests folder with a bootstrap where you just basically auto load whatever is in the vendor directory, which is similar to the node modules. Basically, node modules came from this. Okay. She says that, but she's even yeah, exactly. She don't know. So it is what it is. It is what it is. She don't know, but don't tell her because she's gonna kill me. So it's like the node modules folder, but for PHP. It's the same exact garbage. See, it's already cluttered with garbage. But in this case, see, if you take a look at the composer, it's like, you know, it's the same thing. So it's the required dev. So basically, I'm just only using like you know, requirements for development, and this is only because, you know, because some servers may not have curl or whatever installed, but it's not going to interfere with anything. And it has a PSR4 autoloader, which means that in PHP you need to include every single file. Obviously, what you need is sort of like importing, and this is like an auto importer where I say this namespace resides in the src directory. So everything is where as long as the structure is you know, is like namespace is the directory and file is the last one in the namespace, it's gonna be able to auto load it if the class name also is the same. For example, I have, so this was the namespace. Okay, why did I close it? Let me show you. See, this is the namespace. It's double dash because it needs to be escaped, but just don't worry about it. So see, this is the namespace. WAIFU API, I think you can see it, is the file, and the structure is similar. So like src represents this, and waifu API is basically is this one. So yeah, so that's why it's working like that. It's fine, but okay, it's just, this is really bothering me, this music, man. I don't know what's wrong, but I just can't. Let's just do something different. What do we do here? Do we go like some rockish shit? Okay, let's go with this. I don't care. Okay, so that's why I like Rust. Rust is up to garbage one hidden folder, so you can find and clean that up. Yeah, so you can basically do this in here as well. But you know, I'm a messy person, and it's just not working. Okay, aside from this, I've also added a package.json as if it was a Node project, but not actually. But it just makes it really easy to like run the tests and whatever I want here, because you know, and it's useful in some GitHub workflows. I'm not sure if it's required. I think this test must be here. I'm not exactly sure if it's mandatory anymore. Maybe not, so maybe this is not that important. But basically what this does, I can run tests via Node for PHP. See, I have this set up here. If I click this, see, it run the code. Same for the tests. When I do this, it runs the tests. So it runs this command. So dev gonna do this command and test gonna do this command. So it's really neat. It's pretty neat if someone fancies this. But okay, so this is what I did, plus the unit tests, plus this workflow, which I copied from my other project. So it's basically GitHub integration tests automated. So what you can do is get this running on a pull request. When a pull request is like opened on a main before merged into a main branch, then it's gonna run this job. If everything goes good, I can't really test it right now, but what it does, it just sets up Ubuntu, this PHP version, PHP unit, and just gonna test. And if the tests fail, then it's not gonna merge. So it's a pretty neat feature. I recently found out that you can actually do this, because for Node you don't need anything, because in packaged you have the things, you know. In package you just say test and it's gonna do everything automatically. But for PHP you have nothing. You have to set up these GitHub actions, so it checks out the code and whatever. I just copied it from somewhere, just changed a few things, but I don't know. It should work. It should work. So it's the same thing. Like checks out, then with these versions it just changes. If you have multiple PHP versions, it's gonna run all over everything again. Then installs like Composer, and then PHP unit, and then just I don't know what for. It's just also because I'm gonna check listing of a directory. This was required for something, some idiotic bug. I don't know what for. The dude, I mean, in its original file, I mean, it's just some sort of whatever, and then just, you know, then just do the tests. So it is what it is. It's really neat. And now, okay, yeah, I had GitHub action which compiled Docker image, just say server and restart the app from new image. Perfection. This is, I do that for my personal website where I do something similar. It has Node with PM2 or whatever the name of it is, and it just uploads to SSH, and PM2 picks up the new files and restarts Node. It kind of works. It's the same thing. Okay, so the compile Docker images. These are really great stuff, by the way. Really, really great stuff. And so now, where we at right now is, I don't know if you remember, we wasn't able to upload an image. Well, I mean, Walker has solved the issue. He sent me a code on what's this, Discord, and it's fucking amazing. So you basically have to, the whole header and whatever you need to compile by line to make it work, but he made it work. And also Victoria corrected the on the server so that it accepts the image. So the image was actually uploaded, just the URL return was incorrect. So, but Walker found a way to upload an image without the path name being exposed. So that's a great thing. And so we are gonna integrate that soon. But first, I'm looking at how she did it in the types, and I noticed that yesterday we got a few errors because when the server returned anything else than a 200, so it was like a missing field or whatever, then this waifu response is just basically, it's not going to work because the response body will not contain these fields. So it's going to be something completely different. It's going to be this. So here I only need to detect which one to use. So I made this class really quickly, and this is what we're gonna use. I've just copied it from here. So just to make it unified, just to have it the same way. So you can either have a response or an error message, obviously. So she used two types, the error and response. Well, kind of. I mean, I'm not liking it that much, but okay. So now I'm trying to figure out what I was about to figure out to check the how to use which class. And my initial train of thought was I could make a common ancestor for both of these. So like both the response. Oh my! Just come on! Just stop it. Hey Dracula. Hey. So my initial train of thought was to use not this fucking, where it is, this one, to a common model, and one will instantiate based on which fields were provided in the API here. But that sounds really stupid. Like a model should not really do anything else than just be, I think, right? Hey, waifus. Yes, okay, so Victoria's here. Okay, well, hey, Victoria. So, as I explained for my boys, my boy here, like Dracula is just came and you, and so Kizami is that I just, before started the stream and before you start bothering me, I was a little bit more creative and just being able to make a really quick like workflow and then test directory and whatever, and just for like future references and like to make it easier to test, I made like two of these, and I can just we can just click here and don't need to use a browser anymore, which is fine, right? We can do whatever we want, and this is what we want to do. Okay, so back to whatever I was saying. Okay, what the fuck is this? Stop. Is it not stopping? Oh my fucking god. Why are you not stopping? Okay, we don't care about that, okay? Just forget. Okay, so my train of thought was, okay, so this could land us with a response or an error, right? And she used this and this. Okay, so I really quickly made the error class. So, and this is what I was thinking about. So I could approach this multiple ways. Probably the best way is to get the response code. Of course, no, that's how you should like decide. Get the response code. If it's other than like 200, then we probably get an error. But for that I need to check, 200 and 201 is fine, and then 400 and 403 and 415 whatever, those are not fine. So, and then we invoke the waifu error instead of the response, right? So here we go in if. So that's what my train of thought was. But initially I thought, okay, make a common model, and just this model is going to return either that or that, and it's just this mess. We can just make an if. Okay, but I don't know. Okay, there you go. I need to check this. Parameters. Motherfucker, I don't know how does this work. So documentation time. We check this, and we need the what's this? Response code. This legacy alias of curl info response code. Okay. The last response code. Okay, and how does that work? What the fuck is this? Is this an option? Okay, it's an option. If I don't say it, it just returns everything, right? Options game returns the value. Very nice! So we only need this one. Fuck you, fuck you. The latest response, give me this. Okay. What you building? Waifu framework. Yes, so there's this website. Check it out. Waifu world, whatever. So Victoria made that. Here you go. In chat. And so you can basically programmatically with an API you can host files here. It's not permanent, of course. It depends on the size. And I think it's really pretty neat. It's a good like side project or whatever. And actually it's a really good work. So she made like these SDKs to make it like, you know, work easier, so you don't have to use native whatever. So you just go implementation and just import something, this one, and like the node. I'm using this as an example to rebuild. Okay, so click here, and so this is how you do it. You just install it and just import, you know, and here you go. So this is how you just very easy upload a file, or from a buffer, or from a path, or whatever. So this is what we're playing with. Generally, 2xx are okay, 3, yes. Yes, so what we're gonna do here is I think we're just gonna check the Swagger and check the responses, and I see like if we go 201 and below, then it's probably gonna be, you know, it's gonna be fine. And anything else, we just yoink the error. And there you go. It's gonna be that, because I see the schema is just the same, so I can plug that in. I can really just plug that in. And I guess are there? Yeah, there you go. These are the schemas. Bad request, generic error. Okay, but what's the bad request? Message status name. Message status name message generic error. So it can return a generic error. When? When is this used? Or is this just a common ancestor? That schema is technically wrong. They actually have all the same structure. Very nice. So I love that, because then I can use two, and I think it must use the same structure, because otherwise you would have not done it this way, like here. So basically all I need is these two, okay, which we already have. So let me just wrap it up here and try to copy this abomination and say that, okay, it's just not gonna copy it, okay? Fuck you. Response code, okay. Like it's copied, but it's not. Okay, very nice. So I don't know what this is. Is this a string, whatever? I hope it's a number. If no, then, well, it's not a number. So whatever we, okay, but we also need to, it's validated. Okay, it's fine. So we don't need to worry about it anymore. So all we need to do is like, if the, I love it how it just deletes my shit also. Let's just say like that, so we know what we're doing, right? Okay, you can see it on a node API wafer is the structure for all errors. It's okay, as an error, simple, very nice. Okay, so if response code as, how do we do that? It's smaller than 300, right? 100, can it be? Not really. So let's do it like this. We're just gonna do it like this, and else we're just gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna do the waifu error, right? Yeah, it could have. Where? Oh no, where do I have a mistake? But it isn't a title waifu Valut. No, it's vault. Vault as in safe, as in like where you put stuff. Or do I have an error somewhere? Just let me know. Okay. Waifu response. Okay, so can I, question, as we figured out, can I do this? No, I can't do this. So all I can do here is say it's a model, and it's so bad. And it's so bad. No, and I can't even do that. No. Oh no. It was so nice. It was so nice. It was so nice. Well, let's just rename the model because can I do it like refactor, rename, waifu, like response model, whatever. Is that a good name? Enjoy made your life harder. Oh, it's the patch, right? It's the patch. Oh, I'm gonna hate it. I'm gonna hate it so much. Fuck you. Okay, waifu, like response model. Okay, let's call it like that. Like rework it, man. There you go. Very nice. And now, did it change? Very nice. Look at that. At least we know what we are doing. And my dude, if he uses it, he can check if he got a response or an error with the whatever instance of or whatever the function name is, right? Okay, otherwise we throw an exception, and we're gonna make a nice exception class later on. Now, here comes the bad part. So the thing that the Volker sent me is holy crap, it's not nice. It's not nice, and I wanted to swoop it into here some way, so we don't have to have a million different files, but it's just not gonna happen. It's just not gonna happen. So I suspect this is okay. I suspect this is okay as well. We're gonna test this later on. It should not return an error, it should throw an error. I don't think you need a model for the error unless you can throw a custom exception. I can throw a custom exception, that's fine. But it's a dilemma in my head, because in terms of the function, it does its job, you know. So it's kind of, when I think of like exceptions, I always like, it's always a dilemma. And in this case, I still have not decided, but I don't think I want to throw an exception, because it's an I expect it to have issues. And the thing with exceptions is that they will just terminate the execution. It's not always what you want, and I think I can let the user deal with it if he wants to. But I'm not like heavily decided on this. I put a thought to this yesterday while I was drinking my beer, that should I throw an exception, like a custom one, or should I just leave it as it is and like throw an exception only if there was something wrong within the lines of like the communication and whatever, you know, if there was something that we can't recover from, and from that you can recover. See? Okay, let me read the chat. Remember, you only have issues uploaded, nothing else. Yeah, so that makes it more ugly. I won't terminate if they're not done and catch errors. It won't terminate. Actually, I'm not sure about that. In PHP, I always mix up the other languages. PHP exception terminate. Okay. Continue after. Give me a second. Okay, it will be. I don't know which language was it I was playing with where I couldn't continue execution. Let's try this. Okay, now you can't see what I'm doing, but don't worry about it. Just don't worry about it. Just do not worry about it. You will see. Like this. Okay, okay, so we could throw an exception. You were right. See? Here we are. It's a sandbox. So I'm gonna go and try and throw a new exception. If I catch it, this is still gonna execute. So, and you can't always do this. Like, not in every language. In some languages it's gonna catch and maybe finally, and you're done. It's over. It's over for you. So yeah, we could do that. Yeah, we could do that. But then again, he's not gonna have access to what the things are. Can he? Can he? I don't think so. Because it would be the best that he would have access to this object. Like, I mean, for the response. To do whatever he wants. Okay. Okay, this is gonna be a long time. Okay, I'm gonna read the chat now. Okay. One time if they're not done. Okay. This from joining unwraps the WAIFU error, passes it the WAIFU error, and calls an exception error. Okay. Once again. Generic it unwraps the WAIFU error, passes it the WAIFU error, and causes an exception error. So the exception makes a string and a cause. The cause is the WAIFU error, and the message is custom. What does the exception constructor take? Here you can, if you tell me what the exception endpoint takes, store both message string and the WAIFU error as a second argument. Okay. Custom exception. Let's see. Extending. What is this? I think so. You might be right here. I just extended and it could have anything. Message code throwable previous, of course, and just pass on the whatever I want. So I can still keep the model if I want to. I can just store it as a whatever. And if he catches it, just pass the model in. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. So in the whatever, can I can't override the, can I redefine the constructor? Probably not. Probably, I don't know. Because is this, okay, but not implementing any interface. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try. Just for funsies. Okay, let's make... Okay, just don't do this to me. I don't want to make a module. So let's just source root and a directory. Okay, do exceptions. And make a whatever. It's a class. Waifu exception. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Like that. Just make sure you call parent. Yeah. And this one extends exception. And there you go. This is the whatever. This is the previous. And do we need the message? Do we need the code? I don't think so. But see, that's the problem. I can just, but this is an optional argument, so I can just say, okay, let's just make it a little bit more readable. I can just say, nyam nyam nyam. Oops, not like that. It's ugly. I can just say, but But that's not gonna bulge because there's an optional argument before the EU. No, that come from the JSON. Just remove it and replace it with the Wi-Fi JSON. And do you think so? I won't be able to call the parent constructor. And I need to. Because these... I mean, okay. I could do like that. Like nothing. And just who cares, right? And we just do like... with the JSON. You're right. I don't want to pass them all. You're correct. So, is it? Let's just go. It's the JSON, right? And what we're gonna do is we destructure it. Should it be the JSON? Yeah, it should be the JSON because I check it here, and we're gonna throw a whatever here, and it's just gonna pass in the. Or should I make it the model? Let me read the chat. Let me read the chat. Okay, what do you want? You need enemy. Yes, you can. You can. No, I will punch you. You can pass that into the parent. The values just come from the JSON. Okay. Okay. Replace it, please. There you go. There you go. And can I do it like this? So, WAIFU error. Like that. There you go. Do you like it now? And will he be able to access this? So I can just do public. Yeah, like that. And he will be able to access it. Yeah. Parent message with the WAIFU error. And how? What? Here? Into the message. What do I pass into the message? Oh, the message. You mean the message from the whatever. Okay. You have the message. That. Okay. It's fine. But I wanted him to have an access to the you know, the object. Okay. I know. Do I need this? We don't need this. Okay. I know what you meant. Don't worry about it. I was busy thinking of how could he accept, you know, I wanted him to be able to access the, you know, but this way we have a public property, the WAIFU error, and now he will have access to that. Okay? That's what I was concerned about. Because what if you want to know the, you know, the error, whatever, what do you have there? You know, in this, I don't even know where this is. Here. You know, the name or the status or whatever. I don't know. Are there any more, you know, arguments to this by any chance? Because that way this may not work actually. So because I think if I'm just constructing like this needs to be very, you know, specific. Although, so do all the errors have a status? Do all the errors have any other fields I should be concerned about? Just keep it like that, it will work. No, because in this file, not like here, in Swagger, see, name, message, status, these are optional fields, I guess. I'm not sure if I pass on and destructure optional fields into the constructor, I have a feeling it may just give up. I told you the schemas are wrong, guys. She told me. Then fix it. Fix it. Delete. Boys, is it true? Man, we need to do everything. Girls be like, hey, here's my makeup. I just leave it here. I don't care about it, right? And after 3 years, I'm like, can I put it away? No, I was just using it. When? Never. Okay, I get it. So there's no, so this is nothing. Okay, this is all we need. All right, let's hope that's true. Let's hope that's true. So, and now comes the really, really bad part, which I really, really hate. I don't know if those cameras are wrong. Don't know how, except for one corner case. I'm gonna punch you. I'm gonna punch you. What corner case? Give me the corner case. Oh my god, I clicked something. Where is the corner case? I'm give you. Okay, just give me the field name. Okay, just the field name. Okay. So I can, because I don't know. Okay, let's just try it. No? How about we? Where's the? Why did I close this? The PHP fiddle. I don't know the answers to these questions, unfortunately. So I have a class PP, right? Let's call it PP, big PP. And public function constructor, right? And I don't even need this. And just, I say public int length, right? And so I say new pp, and the structure, is it destructuring? What's the name? It's not even destructuring. What the name of these 3 dots? I always forget. It's whatever. I say length. It's like 20, of course. What? Where? Oh no, what's the version? Okay, because this is not, where can I switch the version? Now, run it. Length. Boom. Okay, that's fine. Okay, but I should at least dump this to see what's going on. Okay. We obviously don't have a debugger here, and even if we had, we're not gonna use it because they're not retarded. Okay, so now what if I do? Is that another dimension for a penis? Hup! Unknown name parameter. But what if I said, is it like that? Okay. Okay. And so can I do it without it? I can probably do it without it. It should work. Too few arguments. Well, fuck you then. But it's an optional. Why is it too few? Exactly too expected. Fucking hell. Okay, what's the chat saying? Okay, if you request a file that is encrypted and do not pass an express for header, it will return HTML as 401. Oh, the prompt. But we don't care about it because I just ignore that. We don't care about it. We just don't care about it. 401 is just goes to an error. So, no, the response. Resolution limit is 401. But isn't this take care of it? Here? Like, we just... Okay, but yeah, okay, it's HTML. Okay, I get it. Oh my fucking god. Like, I love it. I love it. Okay, let's just solve this. So it must be exact. It must be exact, or I must ditch this syntax. Oh, I love this syntax. I don't want to change this syntax. Oh no. Although, What if? Is this something like this? No? Fucking hell, baby. There you go. Holy crap. We're on fire, boys. So it's that easy. Default value. And what if I remove this? It's still working. So like, what does that gonna do? It's not even gonna do anything for us. It's like, it literally does nothing. It literally does nothing. Also, what are you trying to solve? Okay, when I started to try like this, I didn't know if this was gonna be like an additional field, but you're saying it's not an additional field, but a completely different response. It's an HTML file. So, you know, I actually solved nothing here, but I learned that, you know, I can do like with this. And if it was, you know, an extra field, we could like, you know, set a default value and it's not a problem anymore. So I didn't know that. Now I know that because I'm a genius. Okay. I don't need a default value for anything here. I don't think so either. Okay. I was just concerned about optional fields, like optional fields that, you know, oh, it's null. I think it's null. It's null either or that. That's gonna be the whatever. There's gonna be a nullable. We don't dive into those waters. We don't care about that. Okay, now comes the part I don't really wanna enjoy very much because this completely needs to be deleted. Okay. You can test HTML. Sorry, it's a 403. Okay, so you don't even know what you're doing. You don't even remember. Oh, my back is sweating, bro. I'm so sweaty. Okay, I understand. Okay, so it's a pop-up. Pretty nice pop-up for that matter. Let me show you. But on the other hand, how are you able to post links in my chat? Just asking. How is that possible? Did I allowed because you're a moderator? Or what's the reason? I guess because you're a moderator, right? Why don't you deal with that shit until you got the get file function? I don't want to code that. I really don't want to code that. Okay, we have this. It's either working or not. Okay, all we know, this thing is not working. For that, Walker worked out a solution which I'm gonna copy, and we're gonna need see what's up with that. Don't refactor anything, man. Just leave me be. Okay, let me just let's copy to Walker, and I don't want to add this. Oh, we don't need this. Okay, take a look at this. So the solution yesterday, or at least like the problem with the solution yesterday, was that it should have been working. That was the problem. And this is just for JPEGs, but I don't really wanna, like, you know, I know I don't want to have a different solution like MIME type check. How reliable is that? I don't think that's very reliable. And it's not in the scope of this, you know. But like, yeah, God, that sucks balls. Making multi-part from like that. I mean, exactly. It's just like we could put this into a function and use it as is for the files and for, I guess this was working, no? When there was a, or which one is not? No, this one was not working. This one we have not even tested. This one we have not even, we've not been there yet. So yeah, it works for everything except JPEG. I know, but when I want to have one solution, I just don't want to like is this a JPEG? Okay, if it's a JPEG, then let's just do it like normal person. If it's not a JPEG, then do it like this. But if this works for everything, then, you know, why not? It's probably the same thing that, you know, internally is happening with, you know, so it must create like a form and just post it, like, but put it or whatever it does. Okay, let me check this out. So what's this? What are we dealing with here? Okay, so it's the same thing. God damn it, I hate it so much. I don't think I can... Maybe we can integrate it. There's just this overhead, this request body. The rest is like kind of the same. And it's basically the same as the stream solution. Because see? So how is this different from just asking from this? I mean, we could like use both of them, and we don't really. Huh? What do you think? Because I think this was working. No, I mean we didn't this. With this we didn't test, but this should be working. If this is not working, I don't know what I'm gonna do. That's nothing is gonna work. We'll find directly from a variable. It's the same thing. We just manually add the file name. If it not, I need to just catch the file name from the whatever. Just get the file name, and it's the same thing. No? Why you don't just use Symfony HTTP client? No! No! We're gonna go raw, because that's just more entertainment value. It will be just too easy. They only have weird names for JPEG. Yep. Okay, but my question is that, could we do this? We haven't tested this. So if the file name is set, we just pass it on, like, right? If the file name is not set, then we do base name file. And maybe we can avoid this beautiful solution. Right? I have a feeling that might actually work. I don't even know how I'm going to test this though. Okay, that's another concern. Okay, let's just try to change this in a way that we can retain the old one. And just say that I'm not even gonna bother with just rewriting. Who cares, right? If the file name is set, then we do nothing. We just push it on. Okay, how about like that, or base name, this, like that, and we don't even need to do anything, we just do this. What's your problem here? Okay, I get it. Like that, right? What's your problem? Okay, no, like that. God knows. Just God knows. What if you just read the file into binary and just send it using that instead of curl file? I mean, maybe this just gonna do it for us because it's like the curl string files like should be the same as like very similar to like octet stream whatever bullshit garbage. So I think we can probably like get away with this. I'm just scratching my head. So base name, that should cover the file name, whatever is given. And if it's if it prefers a different name, when we don't care, we just pass on the file and the new file name, and it's over. And game over. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can test. Okay, I should not use an existing image. That's what Walker said. I should use something that's not on the server to make sure it's you know, it's bulging. But let's just first just try with an existing image, and we just go a step further. Okay, now let me, if all goes well, I should be able to just do it like this. Okay. Yo. Well. Okay. So it worked. it worked. But the interesting thing is that we got a response. So now Victoria steps in and tells me what the heck was sent to the server, because unfortunately I can't see it from this. Can I just download this? Maybe it's an empty file. Maybe it's an empty file like that. 38 bytes. Oh my fucking god. So it's an empty file. Okay, can I open with a notepad? Maybe. Give me the fucking notepad. Just once. You don't need to check. We already know. We already know what's in there. Don't worry about it. I already know what's in there. That's right. So, okay. So the problem is, it's very simple. The problem is that that this needs this either needs a handle. Where is it? This either needs a handle or the file contents. We need to check where was the document. Let's just check before continuing. Okay, so string data, right? Not the name. Okay. But it does, see, it's application octet stream. It's the same as here. So all I need to do is file get contents. It's fishy, but it could work. It could work. Where is it? Give me. Okay, let me close this so you can't see chat. Holy shit. Okay, let's do this. This should work because this is a local file. This should work every single case. Oh my god. I can't wait. Okay, something happened. Oh. Okay, still not there. Oh no. What's this? Why is it white? What do we have here? Oh. Okay, so it's not even it's just the same thing. No, 2 minutes ago. No, I want this file. Give me this file. Save. 0. It's not, it has nothing. There's nothing in it. Using get, no, yeah. Yeah, it will be the same thing is because it can't replace files. But the thing is that this expects a string. Let's see. I want to make this work. I want to make this work so bad. From strings. Okay, let's see. How does he do it? No, not like this. This is a curl file. Curl string file. Text content. Text plain. Oh, what's this? Why is it reversed? Oh, I think he has it incorrectly here. Or is it some sort of an old version? Dude, the token duplicate file. Oh, it's the same token? Is it? Oh, I cleared the log. I can't see the previous one. I cleared. Someone needs to go back on the screen. It's the same. So I don't think it's the same token. I didn't save it. This is only printed twice because there's double word, like double variables. So this is only the object, and this is the. Maybe I should remove it. We don't need this value. So just deleted your old file now. Okay. Okay, let me try it again. I don't think that's the problem here. Okay, is this definitely correct? Before, I should probably make sure that this file get contents gets me anything. Okay, let's just not run ahead because I have a feeling that I changed the permissions earlier, but I have a feeling that do I have image and it's there? Okay, see, like I already see the problem. There you go. This is why it was because the path was wrong, but still, you know what? Still, we need to test this. I'm not. No, I'm not gonna. Okay, so if it dumps, it should be gibberish. Yep, there is the gibberish. Okay, we get the gibberish. So that means the file contents are read now. So see, a file check should be done here, I think, and throw an exception of some sort because the file should exist. See, this is my fault. File exists should be done here, and I'm gonna do it right after we tested this. Okay. Well, did it work? Almost. Almost. Okay, I have another. I have another solution. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, this did work, but I'm not sure. It may be because this file was already on the server. Maybe. Can I should down retention 333. No, it wasn't. It wasn't there. It was just created. That is a new file token. Okay, understood. So I can't rely on this. Oh no. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Why? Why is this happening? Oh no. It's so stupid. I think it's the same thing. I think the same thing is happening again. With the curl string, it's the same. We got the exact same problem here. Even though I defined the file name, it's the base name. Okay, let's just even let's just dump that. Let's see what the base name is. It should be the. Oh wait. Base name. What? Send me your token. Wait. It might be the same file. Okay. Don't worry. I can't do anything. Just be patient, okay? Be patient. I need to entertain people here. It's not that simple. Okay. Until then, I'm gonna test this. Don't worry, it dies here, so this is not executed here. Okay. Let's just image.jpg. Okay. So the base name does work. Okay, there's no problem with that. I'm happy. Try now. Okay, deleted. Okay, all the prayers goes to Thor the Mighty. Let's try. Okay, this is a different talk. Oh, it clears it. It's so bad. But it's the file name! Bro! I told you. We could solve it. This is how it's gonna stay, okay? This is how it's gonna stay. I don't care. I don't care. Thank you, Walker, by the way. This was amazing. But if we can avoid this, I think we should. Not to be rude, but I think this is like sort of acceptable bypass solution to like, if you gave me a name, then I will use that. If you don't, I mean, it's your problem. You should delete the token. Oh, okay. Yeah, I should have another file, another whatever to delete the token. Okay, what's the... Can I, is there a curl example to delete a token? I can make a command real quick. Where is it? What am I? This. I should. There's a curl command. Okay. Port. I don't want to put, I want this, and I want this, and just change it just a tiny bit. Okay. We go here. No. Okay. And just delete it. Okay. So we need delete, right? And it's the, okay, URL is fine. It's the rest, and the data, we have a token, right? I'm just guessing here, not looking at chat, This is what we want. No? Swagger, Toppy, what? Wait. AP, at top, no. Rest token. Okay, rest. And okay, here goes the, okay, let's just, okay, it goes the token. And you don't really need anything else. Just that. Okay. That sounds great. So... yoink? It's the path. Yeah. Like that. Yep. Okay. Let's keep this here. It's going to be very useful. So I can delete it and re-upload. If all goes well. Where's the terminal? So, boom. True. Okay, that's great. There's the true. Okay, I don't think you, do you see it? It's there. I can't move. There. Okay, so it's deleted. Back to services. So if I do this again, right, I will get a different token. Okay, so it ended 7.2b. Let's go. Bing bong. 7e21. Okay, so it's a different token. Very nice. This is just amazing. Okay, now get the token. Go back to the terminal. We do the same thing. It's a little bit of a hustle, but it does work. What? What are you? What did I do? Okay, there you go. So, very nice. Okay, now let's test with a different file name. So, file name, because we covered that as well. Such a genius. Should I? Do I need to add JPEG? We're not gonna add JPEG. Do we? Will the browser resolve it? I don't think so. Okay, let's just do it like that. Okay, so it should be deleted. And file name, what was it? File name, bing bong. Hey, open, bro. Yes. Whew. Great. I love how very simple this solution is. Somehow it does work. It's somehow, where's my ID? Where are you? Come back. Okay, this is really dumb, but it's working. Okay, and see, well, all we need to do now is just some extra checks and some error reports, maybe like file content check so it exists. Otherwise, we shouldn't really be sending it and throw an exception. So yeah, that's what we should be doing. And talking about that, I really don't fancy making like exceptions files separately, custom exception classes just for every single type of exception. I think that's just freaking dumb. But the problem with this one is that I could just ditch this and just say the error messages, and just this dependency is just, it's just bothering me. It's so beautiful, but then again, don't forget to delete. You don't need to. Okay, let's just delete. Let's just delete real quick. Why do you add these, brother? I don't want these. Okay, true. Very nice. What is wrong? Nothing is wrong, really. But you can, like, to keep the WAIFU exception as the class for all the exceptions, you can do something like how it's done. So I can make a function. Okay, let me think. And say, response error. I think, and then we don't need to bother with the constructor. And not like this, but then it's not gonna. Just give me a second. Just need one class. Yeah, the exception is fine. Just need one class for the exceptions. Yes, but the thing is that I can't always have this argument, unfortunately. If you think about it, see, I wanna check the file. If the file doesn't exist, I want to throw an exception, because that we can't do anything without the file. But I don't want to instantiate a new WAIFU error, because I don't know, should I? It sounds just stupid. This is used for when something is coming back from the server. It's not a WAIFU exception. Well, yeah, that's true. That's true. I was thinking of it as like a namespace for the exception, you know. I've seen doing, like, let me show you what I mean. I've seen someone doing like this. Say you could do this and return new, oh my god, return, just hang on. Self class. No. What are you doing? Like this. Obviously, just imagine this is not here. Just imagine this is not here. So like, they use the exception class as, you know, it's always the WAIFU exception. Just the message is like different, and you like distinguish them based on the function names. And when you throw the error, you can throw it via this function. I think it needs to be static, so, but it's whatever. I kind of like this construction, but it like everything is going to be under the WAIFU exception, so then it's not really a WAIFU exception. But I kind of like this idea. You know what I mean. You hate it. Of course you hate it. You hate everything. That's just you. But I really loved it. So it was like this, you know, and was it static? Yeah, it must be static because I'm going at WAIFU, and when I throw the exception, then it's, where is it? Like row and just WAIFU, what's this? This, and just go this, and just go, and just go, and just go the error. Like, you know, it was, what was it? Okay, Walker, you close you. That the WAIFU error. See? It's so beautiful. I love it. It's so beautiful. I can't believe, I love it because, you know, you're constructing the exception class itself based on, and this is how you distinguish, okay, it was a response error from the WAIFU exception. It's just amazing, amazing. The dude who figured this out, man. The error thrown from the curl file should just be thrown back to the caller. You don't need to do anything. What do you mean? Like, which one? This? Oh, wait. Throw the curl file. Oh, you mean curl file. This, whatever. I don't think, I'm not gonna do anything. This doesn't throw any exceptions, so we don't really bother. Okay, so it does whatever it does. Only thing I want to do here is just check for file exists before we go continue. If this doesn't exist, we're just gonna give him the ban hammer. You can't give us a file that doesn't exist. So like something like, okay, what did I do? Okay, let's just go back here. Oh, please. Okay, thanks. So, because you hate this, and I feel like you're not gonna accept... Okay, do I have pull rights? I do, because I was able to push to master, right? So, you need to accept that if I do the incorrect way, right? Okay, that is what you're trying to do here. Throw custom exceptions, and I am saying you do not need to throw anything unless the API fails. Anything else should just be a normal exception. So change back to your custom exceptions to what it was before. Okay. I'm an administrator of the repo. Okay. Okay, boys. I would be honored if you could add yourself as the reviewer, and also we will have to arrange to somehow, and the foreseeable future, not right now, when any change is gonna do, you can add a integration test somewhere, and this test YML file should be the one to create the tests. So unless this doesn't fail, then the pull request should not merge. I mean, the other way around. If it's okay, then it should merge. But I have not tested this, so we should probably not do that yet. Because if it fails, well, it sucks ass. Sure, you can add... Oh, I have... Okay, so I have every right. Okay, I will do that later. Very nice. I discovered this like a month ago, and I was like, holy crap, it can be automated. It's just so nice. And if you by any chance forgot to test, well, GitHub will not let you merge. The Node API has that too. That's why I also added this, because it's just very convenient from like adding as a service. It just works somewhat, like the output is somewhat better than just adding these commands for me. I don't know why. So I just usually do this and just whatever. And I think I needed to add this because the tests, the integration test something was not working with it unless I had the package. And once I had the package, it magically started. So I don't know what the issue was, and I was like, okay, who cares? Not this project, another project. So now I do that. Now I do that. Like this is not really doesn't do anything because there's no JavaScript or whatever here, but you know, I can run the test. So what I'm doing here is running the PHP unit via node command. So it's like stupid. The patch endpoint was just merged. Well, fantastic. I'm really happy for you. I'm really happy for you. So what's the cursing expert string false given? How is this Data? What data? Oh, the file got contents. Oh, this, okay, so if, okay, so if file exists, the file name, then we do this, and that should, the PHP stand error should disappear as well, because it will not read. Function is read data or false on failure. You know what? Should I cover this? Oh, I really hate it. I should cover this. Can I? Oh, this is no, this is no, this is no, 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 no. Oh, not the other way around. Oh, this is good. No, this is not the other way around. Oh, but this is. Oh, this is no, this is no, this is fish. This is fish. I think this would execute though. Does it? Yeah. Holy crap. I hate it. I might just go with this. Oh my god. The patch endpoint was just oh, I read that, and now we can check the Swagger for it. Oh, I don't wanna, but I will. Don't worry. Look, ugly, and like, oh, this is just beautiful. Declaring variables within the statement. That's just what you can do. Okay, where's the Swagger? Give me the Swagger. API docs. Patch. Modify contents of an entry. Why do you have to do this? Tell me. Why not just delete and just a new one? Who cares about the token? Why are you clinging into the freaking token? Okay. Okay. It's just, this is amazing. I love how slow we are with this. I did, in 10 minutes, I did more than on this whole stream. I literally 10 minutes before stream, I added all this crap, and I'm just talking away the time. But I don't care. The longer we work on, the better. Okay? We probably don't. Do I have a date when I have to finish this? No. Okay? It's not an actual question. I'm saying that I don't have one. There's no date. It's gonna be finished when it's finished. Okay? But you know, 10 minutes. Yeah. Well. Okay, that's not gonna happen. But is there a way you should make like when I do pull request, like can I request a review? I should probably do that. I can probably do that. I'll figure it out. Okay, so where were we? What am I doing here? Okay, so if this doesn't happen, then we're just gonna, well, throw a new exception and say, well, but brother, there was a file error, and we don't know what the error is though, because it's either doesn't exist or file, there was an issue with reading the file or something like that. File does not exist or is not readable. Now, to test this, what I'm gonna do is change the permissions on the file. I can do it now, so you need a PR. No, don't really need a branch protection. I don't like. If you want, you can set it up. It's just a hassle. There's no point. I already switched to an experiment branch, so I'm not gonna push to the master. Either way, I'm not gonna do that. Once there is like a semi-working solution, I'm gonna do a pull request, I think, and then I will like add you as a reviewer or something like that. A code owners file. Oh, where it's under the GitHub something, right? I can add you and okay, let me check how is it on WAIFU Vault. and just copy that. Okay. Where's the WAIFU votes? Okay. Under GitHub, and it's with the big no. Code owners, yeah. 1 second. It's a file. Code owners, right? Yes. And yes. And let's just copy paste. And we go. Can I do like this? Just add me. Or is there a star? Should there be a star? Yeah, there should be a star. I should only add myself. Are you sure? What are the default owners for the repo? And how does this help me? Am I not the No, because you are the repo owner. I just have admin rights. So this way, what does this change then? It helps us distinguish that I'm the owner, but what else? Whatever. I mean, it just means that anyone else making PR, you will be able added as the reviewer must approve. Okay, really nice. Really nice. I love it. Okay, so let's continue slowly but surely. Make an entertainment value here, and just I did the files. Let's just try what, like 655 maybe. Will it be accessible? Even now, duplicate could, like, it doesn't matter now, because if it fails before it like sends the request. So yay! Okay. It catches it. Very nice. This is what I was expecting. Now if I go back, give it the normal permissions. Now it should just okay. Well, there's no way. No, we can go back. There's no way to go back. Maybe it's because, you know, maybe it's because of this whatever. I mean, oh god, maybe it's because of this. No. I have a feeling it's because of my perfect solution, you know, but I just want to keep it. But I think it needs to be at the beginning of the whatever. But I need to check the file exists. Oh no. Well, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna unnest this whole crap. See if it doesn't exist. Well, we're gonna just throw an exception that it doesn't exist, like that. And at this point this should exist, and like that. We go get the data, and then if the data is false, well, we're gonna throw another exception and say the file is not readable. And there you go. And now we don't need this anymore. This and this. And we can just continue like a normal person. And Victoria will be very satisfied, because this is basically an early return statement. What I don't like is that why can I just suggest me? I just suggest to import. I want to import it with the click. Please import. Please, I want to import. Why not? Refactor. Extract, introduce, extract, move instance method. No, inline, no. Okay. Okay. We don't need this anymore. Instead, we do need this. And now, please say that I can replace it. No. Well, then fuck you. I'm just gonna replace on my own. Okay. Like that. Okay. Light bulb. Oh, the light bulb. I always forget about the fucking light bulb. I should have clicked the light bulb. Okay. Okay, let me read the chat. Sorry, I'm not reading. Victoria, I promised you I'm going to read the chat more. So I can be even slower than I am right now. This means that anyone else making preview. Okay, that right. Okay, I set up a branch rule that you need a PR and that PR must be approved at least one person. When you added your GitHub workflow thing, it will also add that needs to pass to be able to merge to the default branch. Okay, but I need to. Okay, but I think I need to merge this first so that on the default branch it does. Probably not, because there's a possibility I made changes to it. No, it needs to be, I think it needs to be merged. I tested this earlier and I think it needs to be merged. Oh, I should have made it. But before I commit this, I could pull request and see what happens. Maybe I will do that. Maybe I will do that before I merge this branch. It will just exist on your branch. Okay. Okay. I will play around with it. Okay. So let's just quickly see if we covered anything that's not covered. We have the file exists, the file contents, the whatever. If we execute, there's an error. And if we can't, like something went wrong. That's just gonna be, this is how it is. What's happening? Caps lock. This is something went wrong. That's what it is. Like really, there's no other information. If this goes wrong, then this goes wrong. And I think with that, the upload file is basically donezo. Now question is, shall we like try to make some tests to this, or just move on to maybe like the delete, which sounds like a really easy task? Why not? Why false and not just not result? I'm not trusting the whatever. Y equals false. This me and this and this. No, it's not advised in PHP to rely on the type coercion. Sometimes they do change it though. I had that issue before. Not sure if you noticed when I worked on the WordPress stuff, it has that code sniffer enabled. And whenever they see a loose comparison, it's gonna throw all kinds of errors and just underline with red and black and no. I think that's the reason, because I ran into issues with that. Like something changed on the signature. It was like it wasn't returning an integer, but a string, and something broke. Okay, if I were to use a strict comparison, then it would have been nice. But yeah, I think unit tests can be less as long as you test upload file, upload buffer, upload URL. Definitely. This is very important. I think this is very important. That's invalid files, stupid file names, doesn't exist. I don't even know, some sort of an. I don't even know, like stupid files. But what stupid files? It doesn't exist. No permission. Come to think of it, invalid, like programmatical stuff. Like the arguments are like stupid. Like it doesn't exist, like the file, missing this, missing that, missing whatever. Or something like that. And just go line by line and try to break it. Yeah, that's usually what I do. I just try to break it as like the worst way possible. Just break it. And it doesn't break, it's working. And you know, we can test the exceptions or whatever, because there's like excepts and so it's the last step. Okay, let's try. Okay, what's the next one? Let's see the Swagger and go. Okay, so this was the get. Get shouldn't be that big of a deal. We do the same thing. We basically do the same thing and just, you know, just return either the waifu error or the token or the waifu response, right? I think that's what it is. So, not this. Sorry, it's a little bit like cluttered on my screen. I try to organize this better way. Okay, like a good boy, we're just gonna copy this, and we're gonna let's get file, right? Let's get file, and for that, the file all we need is I guess the token, and formatted as an optional argument. So if this format were the remaining human readable string instead of an epoch of this, is this a time? It's Boolean. Okay, it's Boolean. Okay, fuck you. Oh my god, I was scared for the tiny bit because there's date formatting strings and I just really hate those. Okay, so just read it's not a get file, it's get file info. Okay, get file info. Okay, and all we need is we don't charges error array. I should probably write. How did you do it in the? Oh, you need a token. Really? And that formatted argument is not okay. I'm looking at the wrong thing again. Where's the? Okay, but not the types. We already have the types. File, get file info. What? And this is token and format boolean. Yes. Okay, let's just. Where's the node SDK? Why did I close this? This is the most important. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. We may need this. File info, just the token and okay, so not an array. Okay, that's so really simple. String, token, and bool, pp, whatever that was. What was the name of it? Formatted. Okay, let's do it like that. Make. Is it true? It was true because it was formatted. Okay, ignore that. Look at actual code. Yeah. This is I think this, when I look at this, it's just boom. This is what I want. Nothing else. Okay, I'm gonna close this other project because I can't handle it. Okay. Now we need to change basically everything here. And the funny thing is, this is a GET request. And for GET, we may not even need this curl thing. Let me think. The response is the same as the upload, except if formatted is false, the retention period is a number, but we covered that. See? So that should be okay. I think we have not an issue there. Well, we'll see. We'll test it, of course. Okay, so what I'm thinking, but curl is just a safer way. curl is just a safer way. Because there's a way. Let me show you. Let's go. We're gonna need this. So this should probably go into a function later on, but okay. Because as far as the result goes, we can just do something like believe it or not. And oh, I should have moved this. Let's say come on. Can I think 8.3 there's typed constants. And just like that. And then the same thing goes here. Is this with a trailing slash? There is no trailing slash. Wait, this is not the server. Wait. Server is... But basically that is the endpoint. I shouldn't call it server, it's stupid. Because it's like, you know, but okay, who cares? So what I can do... and what's the... It's get, right? It's get. So okay, I don't need that. And then let's do it like this. Okay, let's assume the token exists. Okay. Let's just do it like this. As we, just you can't have the response code. That's why we have to use curl, because we don't have this information with the file get contents. All we need is maybe false, but that's not enough. That's not enough. We don't have the response code. Well, this could have been nice. This could have been nice, and it probably would have worked though. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it, and I'm really curious. Maybe this won't let me do it. Where's the URL? This won't let me do it. But it's an interesting feature. And the token. Oh, I also need the token. So can I just that and that and that and just copy the token? Yeah. Okay. I can't copy the token anymore. I don't. I don't have the token anymore. Oh God! And I ruined everything. I can't even rerun it because now it's gonna throw me an error. No, please. Okay, maybe like this. Maybe like this. Just give me the token. Give me the token. File does not exist. Yeah, come on. Oh, we didn't fix that though. Huh? What do you mean? Because yeah, this is gonna be correct. Fucking hell. There you go. So let me just, I want to know. Will this work? I'm really curious. Oh, this have been so beautiful. Oh! No, I can't do that here. Operation failed because, you know, it doesn't let me do that. But I wanted to do it. Mom, why? I'm not reading chat. Did you notice? There's probably no one's chatting. I want to know. 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 Oh, I have the HTTP1 and not found. Okay. Okay. It don't let me. Okay. Thank God. Thank God. It was very tempting. Okay. So I can delete the it's fine. I can also delete it now because I have this very beautiful command here where I can delete it. So we're back to the curl solution, and I don't even know. There's a very simple way. Let's Google it. This is gonna be just much easier for us now. Curl, PHP curl get. There we go. Get request. Give me. What? Nah. No. It's definitely much easier. I've done this before and it was not that, you know, it was so much simpler. Why post? I want to get. Should I just, but I don't want the variables. Give me a get request. Give me. Post fields, there you go. And there you go. This is all, this is all we need. This is all we need. There you go. Very simple. It's very similar to the previous one. Okay, so let's just remake this whole thing, right? So post parameter, oh my god, stupid names. How did you do it? The curl init. Why does he have the, let's just no. And here we go curl options. Where's this curl options and results? This is what we also need. Oh, and the and this one as well, and this one as well, and this one as well. Well, this goes into a function for sure, some way or another. Where did I? Like that. Okay. So all she does is the post fields, the return transfer, and the custom request. We don't really want that. The timeout can stay, and so basically this is all the plus to that, and you can call it like data, like that, and just that, and all we need to like. Okay, we don't need these. Set the options. What's your problem? Okay, like of course it's duplicated because we are just going in raw. It's stupid. Okay, now how do we do this so it's like really simple? Formatted is always true. Token is like, all we need to do is just check the token. Token is a UID, right? It's UID 4 or whatever. Yeah? Is it? So it's like 30 whatever many characters. Do I need to check? Should I check that? I don't think I need to check that. All I need to check is just not empty, and the rest is whatever. Who cares? Yeah, just pass it, right? I like string. It's definitely string. I can check like if it's empty. You know, that I think it's just fine. The token is empty. Like throw some exception. The rest is like it's not my problem. Okay. So what we basically do is just token, and here we go. And we can even pass this argument because it's by default true when it defaults to true, I guess. So, but correct me if I'm incorrect. So I don't need to play with this. And in the beginning, I could like just do a really basic check if token So it's definitely a string because it will die if not. If it's empty, then we'll just throw an exception like that. Token is empty or something like that. Okay, at least that, nothing else. Okay, what's the problem? It's duplicate. I know it's duplicated. We do not care about that right now. Should this work? Very likely. I don't see any problems here right now. So we set this. It should default to get, I guess, but the post fields kind of worry me a little bit here. They kind of worry me. Curl post. Well, of course. Okay. I love it. Here to get to grab a web page. There you go. We don't need the header, yes. But I need the custom arg. I need the arguments. I can just print it to it. Then who cares about it? Yeah, definitely. That's what's gonna happen. That's what's gonna happen. But how is this? How can you pass a boolean? Is it 0 or 1 into the query? No, it's in the query. It's not in the path. Uh-oh. 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 So it's like... So it's in the this is in the query. Uh-oh. It's in the body basically, right? Not the body. Query. Oh, it's the path. It's a query argument. Okay, I was confused. Okay, like this is the path. Oh, okay. We're just, you know what? I'm not gonna this. We don't need this, and we don't need all of this shebang either. This is gonna be. We have the server in the path. Is the token, not my problem, and also the query is the formatted. Yeah, I could even like check if it's false then, but who cares? And I'm a little bit worried that boolean it's not gonna work very well here. I don't think so, but okay, let's just do it like this. PHP will do its thing, right? If all goes well, this is just I think the header must have been disabled or whatever. Where's a get? Get to grab a web page header false. So I think I'm probably gonna need this. I have a feeling I'm gonna need this. I remember like this. Maybe who knows? Maybe it's gonna work, maybe not. What do you think? Unused parameter token. What do you mean? Here it is. Am I dumb? Like I'm using it like right here, brother. Yo. Okay, whatever. Maybe I'm like really dumb here. Okay. So now that we have this file, if everything goes right, this is gonna run. Okay, now we have this file, and I can just run this request many times, it's gonna just do nothing. Okay, very nice. And we also gonna do another one where we do, let's just use the response variable and just go waifu get file info, and I'm just gonna pass in this token like as is, and we're gonna dump again to see what's gonna happen. And all the dumps are gonna stay there, and let's see if we're gonna run into something here. Okay, clear it up. No, it worked. It worked. 2 responses. Okay. Okay. And it defaulted to this as previously. Now, let's try. If I say false, and I think this is where it's gonna die gracefully. No, it works. So it converts. I'm still not really happy with this, but okay, say it's working. Okay, formatted equals true. Yeah, just a query param. I'm not 100% sure this goes into. Okay, let's not 100% sure it just converts. True, like this. Debugging mastermind. It goes to 1. But I guess your server does handle that. It does handle that. So it's you know, casted into like 1. Yeah, Jace, 1 equals true. And what about false? I genuinely don't know how these. It's empty. Holy fuck. It's a good thing you don't just check for existence. See, false is not 0. It's empty. So the format is still there. So I should probably do something with this. It's dump. It should not be used like this. It's really dump. Because there's only 1 parameter. I could just do like let's do another variable. Like if formatted, then do this. Otherwise we just gonna go with an empty string, because there's just only 1 parameter, right? And after the token we do the query, nice and easy. And if all goes well and I remove this garbage dump here, and do you see it? I think you do. Okay, now it's okay. Now it's okay, and there's no extra garbage behind it. Let's try again with the false, with the true, or with the empty, whatever it is. Okay. See, we have the get file. AGV does the validation and the unmarshalling. Okay, thank God, because you know there's very easy to run into issues like that, because sometimes because it's a boolean, some would just say, well, if it's there, then it's probably true, right? And it's probably true. We expect the parameter to be there. I've seen many times. If it's set, I do use it. I do use it sometimes, because I just expect a parameter to be there. And in this case, it could be the same, because the name formatted means that you want it formatted, and if it's omitted, you could say that I don't want it formatted. So it's like a whatever situation. But this telling it explicitly, I think it's the best way. I think it's the best way to do it. There's no confusion around it though. So in my case, when I did this would probably have failed on the server side, because I would very likely be doing just, if it's set, then it's true. We don't need to check. If it's set, you want it formatted, you set it, formatted. Okay, so here you go, formatted. Okay. Okay, what do we have here now? Let's take a look. So there's a lot of garbanzo, but the thing is that there's not too many things repetitive here. We could move this thing definitely. Even this, even this, even this. Just move everything and just pass on the options, right? Not really, but yes, because yes, we can do that. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. Private do curl. Okay, private function do curl, and it's curl options. There you go. This is all we need. And what do we return? What do we return? We return the oh, I can. Or we return this or that, or an exception. I don't know, we either throw an exception or return this or that. This could even be in the... Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah, kind of stupid, but it works. Remove the clutter. So... this, you come here, and you come here, I put you here. Very nice. What's your problem? Oops, no value type specified iterable array. Well, fuck you then. That's what it's, that's, and we can just do return this, do curl. With the curl options. Yeah. This is exactly because unhandled exception. Oh. We can just throw it. But do I need to handle this exception? I don't think so. I do not care about that exception. Because I could catch it and just throw it again, but I don't want to throw it again because it's already thrown. But will it be able to catch if I don't throw it? Oh no, maybe it's not gonna work like that. No, maybe it's no longer catchable. Fuck, we need to test it. Okay, just don't worry about it. Okay, just don't worry about it. Like, you know, they would just go check exception, passing the response, and will either throw or do nothing. Do you think I can, this is possible to do? Passing the response, it will either throw or do nothing. Oh, but the thing is that I already need to, this exception I can't throw in. This is a problem here. So I can either remove this and just, you know, I can even remove this and just move it to the end and do whatever I want. But maybe it's, maybe we can catch it. Maybe we can catch it and it's just no problem. Maybe it's just saying that you might want to catch this exception, but it might be delegates further. I don't know. Not the thing I'm about. The WAIFU exception is the same for all endpoints. It's not the thing I'm on about. The WAIFU exception is the same on endpoints. That can be common. Yeah, that's true. Okay, let's. You can't just do it because the API can throw an exception. Just trust me. Look at the API. It will not delegate. Like it will not go further, right? I won't be able to catch it here. That's what you're saying. I need to immediately catch it because it's not gonna. Not even it does for all exceptions. Endpoint take all the same method. Okay, let's see. Okay, so node. We're looking at node API. This right? No, it's a PHP one. Node. And oops, source, and this TypeScript. Oh, I love TypeScript. I love it. And what did you say? What was the name? Something with exception. Check exception. Check error. Check error. Check error, I think. Yeah, check error. Is it imported from somewhere? Or does... Oh, there must be a check error here. There you go. Response, okay. Try... Okay. But you're only checking the response. Well, okay, I can do that. But that's not the concern here right now. Yeah, I know what you mean, that I could like put... WAIFU error. What are we doing? It's like here, I could push this into some other function to check error. So it's like the same as yours. And you know, and it just does, you know, and it throws the exception if it's needed. But you don't need to catch it. You throw new error and check error. And then there's no try catch. Okay. Okay, got it. Give me a second. Let's try to like do this do curl thing and see what's cooking. Okay? Because at this point we only need to do this. And if all goes well, like basically nothing has changed. And this is just the basic logic, what we want, like nothing fancy, right? And something else is doing the job, and it kind of sucks that it has to return. Did similar in Python. And my question is, I really don't know if I can just throw without catching and without rethrowing it here. I really don't know. How could I trigger one? Let's try the triggering by, oh no, I can't even comment this. Come on, dude. Why can I do that? Why do we have to stay there? Will it work? Maybe it actually works. It just maybe it's just the ID. Yeah, it's just the ID. Okay, so by doing an empty string, it throws an exception. So do an empty string and see what happens. Token is empty, so I can catch it. That's nice. I can catch it. That is really nice. So I don't need to worry about that exception, except what they usually do is that when it throws an exception, or even the WAIFU error. Where's the WAIFU exception, whatever? Where did we do the WAIFU exception? Did we use that? This. We didn't use that. We didn't use that. right? We just said we're gonna use it. That's why I'm curious. Why it's not here? Why is it missing? Okay, we just said we're gonna use it, but we don't. Okay. If I do the same thing, when it says throws exception, it's no longer an issue with the comments. What? Very nice. And also here, if I say that, okay, don't worry, we're gonna throw an exception. What's your problem here, brother? A throw stack. Well, what do you think that is here? Okay. Are you satisfied now? There's 2. Okay, so the waifu exception, we forgot about it, right? We forgot about the waifu exception. That's what we want. And the waifu exception is, it should be here. Here. This here. Instead of the waifu error, we said we're gonna throw a waifu exception with the waifu error. So throw new waifu exception with this. And please import, replace. There you go. Very nice. This is what I wanted. And now like this. Whoa, this is beautiful. But this could also throw now a waifu exception. This I don't think so. Could this? Yes, it could actually. So what's your problem? Curl options, no value tab. Okay. Give me a second. But I think this one too, because it calls the curl. Okay, so whatever. It works. Okay, so what's the problem? Your problems are that you want a string and what I could even do. Listen. Key off was these are these defined somewhere in a curl class or something? If so, then I could use them as the key. Oh, I want to know. It's gonna be so beautiful. Curl, what was it? Okay, I'm looking at the curl options. PHP curl options. PHP setup. Where are you defined? Tell me. Are you in a class? Please tell me you are in a class as a constant somewhere. Probably not. They're just global variables. No, this would have been so pretty. Can I somehow maybe figure it out? Curl. I need the classes. I know this band. What? Wait, I will tell you. No, the Rasmus. It's the Rasmus. I kind of don't really like them, but is there an interface? Oh, I wanted this to be there. I can't key these. I can't key these values, and these are integers, by the way. Not even PHP list curl constants. I don't think these are static. Integer equivalents of get defined constants. Okay, well, we tried, we failed. Unless I would do this and just maybe hope that it picks it up. No. That's just an extra bullshit. Okay, well, okay, so we can do key off. There's no way. All I can do is int and some sort of a value. And PHP stem will be happy. Let's see the issues. What are we looking here? Visual comment doesn't contain all the necessary throws tag. What are you saying? Are you retarded? You are retarded. That's your problem there. Throws WAIFU exception. Well, of course, just don't mind this, okay? Don't worry about it. Unused element upload file. Okay, that's fine. Unhandled exception. Okay, but I said it throws. Oh, like this. Oh, play the shadows. Okay. Oh, I don't know what the volume is. There you go. It's better. Listen to the music while I figure this out. What's happening? Nothing, basically. Sorry, I will need to lower the volume. I will talk now. So it was just a minor hiccup where, you know, like it reported errors that they weren't there, but now it's fine. Now the only thing is that me stupid, I deleted this beautiful type we had here for this upload file function, and I think I'm just gonna type it again. Here it was. Where is it? Oh my. No, it's still there. There, and with that. Offset URL. What? Okay. Oh, it was this. Okay, sorry. Now it's gonna be fine. 3, 2, 1. Okay. And everything is cleaned up. Okay, we have 2 functions now, and soon I think I'm gonna end the stream and leave something for tomorrow, because slowly but surely we are making progress here. What I need, I think, like, I restructure this garbage into this Duke or whatever thing. We will continue from there, but at least this looks like resembles something useful. Let's just do a final whatever like that. Let's do an error here. So this is gonna be fine. This is gonna be have an exception like that, and nothing should. And in the end, okay, so this is in the end and then catch it. Okay, let's try it. Yeah, it's buffering. Does it? My bitrate here is okay. Let me check. Tell me, I have 0 dropped frames, which is nice. Not here. Okay, so it's something along with Twitch and your side, probably. Okay, why did I do tests? Okay, token is empty. This upload went well. It requested the file. Boys, I think we're on the great track here. I think this is gonna be just really nice. Even though it's slow, but you know, but there's something. Okay. Obviously, if I was doing it alone, it would be no. Now enter bad token. Okay, that's a good observation. There's a bad token. We not tested that. Ding dong. What? There you go. We didn't. I forgot. But it's interesting how it just. I imported. No. WAIFU exception not found. What do you mean? Oh. Okay, wait. This is WAIFU worlds exceptions. Okay. It must be. No. The namespace is missing. There you go. Good observation. WAIFU exception, and now it should throw an issue here that this doesn't exist, so we need to import it. And once we import it, okay, there, this is no longer there. All because it was in a global scope-ish thing, but if... Okay. Exception not found. Okay. Why are you trying to use the exceptions from there? Oh, I know. Extends exception. It's not imported because now we're in this namespace. I didn't look. Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay, there you go. Unknown token, which is... Yes, it's great because it didn't reach this part. It halted there, and this is an exception. So, yep, it's working. It does work. It handles it. Pretty neat. I love these models that I'll probably just remove this later on. It has not really a use. I don't know, or maybe keep it. But I love how you can like do this. And before I end the stream, what I meant previously. Let me find it on my second monitor about the attributes. I wasn't good to explain it, but then I remembered that I already did an example of it, and I really liked it. It's like sort of you can use them to dependency injections and validations and stuff, and it's really great. And in PHP 8.3 they are very powerful. So this is just, I called it PHP attribute, So for data validation, okay, I was reading up on this, you know, when I looked on the WAIFU vault code, because I couldn't understand, like, it completely works differently than I used to. So I was like, okay, this is like a controller, like model and whatever. I fancy that, and I was like looking specifically on for this example. I was like, bro, this is so nice. It's like, it's not even a joke. I mean, this is so nice. I mean, and I was like, is there some way I could like utilize this? Because this, I'm currently doing a refactoring of a, like, I had to hold it and I'm just continuing it, and I'm like, this would be so nice. It was just so freaking nice. I wouldn't have to explicitly check for everything. I would just this and that, and there you go. If the number is like, it's not 0, and I would just default it, and just there you go. And I can encapsulate everything in the model, and it's ready to go. And okay, where's chat? So I was like, I don't know if it's maybe, well, my head is in the way, but I will try. So PHP has these. When you use this comment tag, this is a comment. It's used to be a comment, but now it's highlighted, as you can see. So the same thing could be achieved. This is very similar to this. So by doing something like that. Now the question is that how do you achieve this call to check on this property? And in PHP you can read these. You can read these and do whatever you want, do like where these reflection classes, which is pretty neat. And okay, so this looks clean, as we can define constraints in the model itself. It is below. It will explore 2 ways to when using the provider service and encapsulate the data model. Okay, so what I did here, and I don't remember, the attribute classes could implement a check method, which could be used to check later on the reflections. For example, maximum attribute class. So say I have this, a constraint, and okay, so this is basically what's gonna check this. So this goes here. So basically, when you do this, it's implemented here, because when you say it's an attribute and it targets a property, then this class is basically just used as an attribute. I didn't know that, but it's pretty neat. They get around these. They find different ways to have native some sort of like dependency injections, and I think Symfony and the other frameworks do use this to inject all sorts of attributes like PDO and whatnot. Okay, so say maximum integer, the maximum value allowed. So when you do this, maximum int 30, you actually do the constructor with the value. See? So now I know what to compare to. And I will have a check method where I will just invoke it later by reflection and check this is the actual value what the user like, you know, sends, and you can just you know, compare them. But you know, you need to figure out how to do that, you know, because this does nothing at all. So okay, there's an interface, and it's done with I think check by provider. So some sort of data store where we want to push pop data, but only the data model has valid data. For the sake of simplicity, provider will do the checks internal using the injected data C check. Okay, I don't think I use this method though. So you have this class is a service provider, whatever, and basically when you push the data, what's that? No, so data store and check. Okay, so I do a check manually, and when this check is invoked, then you know, then it's automatically doing this. because of this, because I'm calling this check, and this check, this does the reflection. It goes through the attributes and sees, okay, I found a constraint, let me make an instance of it, and then just see what the arguments are. So I can safely call the check method because I know this is an instance of the, you know, because I can even tell it to these get attributes, which basically gets me these things. I can tell that I only want the attributes which are instance of the reflection attribute that is the interface. And in the interface, I already said that I will have a check method. So I have not to worry about all sorts of other attributes which may someone else implement. So I can just, okay, I can just do the constraint check. And this basically just prints something. So it's whatever. And so like this is very simple. And I think the data model validation, the extra override execute stops before the data model is used. I think I prefer this one. Yeah, you already seen this. I think I had this. 1 second, I will read the chat. I think you have seen this, and I think it's already there. See, abstract data model with check. See, this is the same thing. I tried to utilize this. So this is a rare case where I think like abstraction it makes sense, like using an abstract class where you can just, you know, inherit everything from this, and because it's from this check model, then calling the parent constructor, I can even have my own constructor and see, because see, I can do it like we did before. So I don't even have to, like, where is it? Explicitly. Oh, I did the same way. Okay, never mind. Is this constructor whatever? Well, it automatically creates the attributes. So the same thing, I just do it here. Call the parent constructor, and the check is already done. And the check is done. So the data is valid on creation. The model is valid on creation. So you don't have to worry about anything. So it's the same thing. The provider doesn't have to deal with validation. So your service is just clean, and there's only one like this common ancestor. But this is just one way. But it really was like very interesting to me. It's like this is just one way to like do something, and I really loved it. I really did love it. I was like, I really want to know how is this possible. So I pushed it here, and sometime later, because I can't use PHP 8.3, at least not at my work, I will do this. Definitely. I will rework everything to it. This is the way to go. Safe. I can throw exceptions wherever I want. I do whatever I want. I can even reset the values, because if I set default values, I can just go back to that. If I say this or that, I can just default back to this. It's crazy. Really good. Okay, so now chat. I added the modified patch to the Node API. If you want to see how it's done, it's very simple. I want to see it. It's like nine lines of code. Okay, let's now go to you, and then I'm gonna end the stream. I think I'm very, very tired. I need a little bit of rest. Wait. Oh, it's a diff view. Is it merged? Can I somehow view file? Maybe. Oh, wait a second. Modify. Yeah, this is it. So it's basically the same as the put, very similar without the file hustle and whatnot, and just we just send the body JSON stringify options. Okay. I will have to take a look at it. I've never used patch, to be honest, so I don't know what but there's definitely, if I will just curl PHP patch, this is probably patch request. How do I make a patch request? Bleem blom blom custom request patch, and after that I think just a post body. So okay, So it's the same as this. Same as this. What was the name? Modify entry. Modify entry. Entry, and it's not the same. I will need to have a new arguments, but let's just ignore that. And it's gonna be a patch. And what do we need here? What do we need here? The token and the file. Do you want to modify? So you need the token and the new file. Modify entry payload. If we're able to see this. Look at the type. How can I definition. Okay, this is what I want. Modify entry payload. Okay, thank you. Scroll down. Where? I'm really done with this, I think. It's just imports, but I don't want this. I want to see the type. Come on, tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Where is it? It's in the types. Okay, sorry. It's in there. Sorry, I'm very tired. There you go. Oh, but of course. Of course, you cannot. Previous. Okay, let's just not deal with that. But isn't this to replace an entry? No, right? It's not for that. Am I dumb? Components, only the components. Okay. Password previous custom expiry string and hide file name. Okay, it's not replace. Oh my god. Thank God. So all we need is these. All we need is these fields. Okay, let's just do this. I don't even need anything, any of these, anything like that. What if everything is optional, right? So all I need to do is like, if it's set, whatever, the password, just that. We will do the checks later. We don't care about that. Is it good? File instance that doesn't exist. Okay, we don't care about that. Oh my god, this is so ugly. But this should be probably like if one exists, then probably the second one must exist, right? There is no way. Oh no. So you need the password if you want to change the custom expiry, but if the previous password is set, you definitely need the password. I mean, I'm not even gonna deal with that. It's not my problem, as you said. That's yours to solve. So all we're gonna do is this, and we're gonna change it, like add the types tomorrow, and we don't gonna bother. Okay. And do we specify some default arguments? Definitely not. If empty args, we're just gonna throw some stupid exception here. No arguments. Fine. There you go. I don't know. It's gonna be fine. Okay, so this cries because, you know, because of this. But basically this is what we need, right? And tell the patch and go to the server and just do whatever we want. Right? Tell me this is it. Tell me this is it. Okay, I think I added a thing here. Let me try to just run the previous code. Oh no, it was somewhere else. Oh no. No, this one. Okay, I have it. It's pretty neat that it returns a token. Oh no, oh no, oh no, this. Okay, we don't care about this. Okay, so let's say modify entry and say I want to change. You can now see the readme GitHub for info. That's great. I'm not gonna do it now. What I'm gonna do it is end the things very soon. I didn't want to do this. It's just to see if it does. So hide file name. So what does this do? Hide file name. It's gonna hide the file name. If you read the readme, oh, come on. I mean, come on. Where is the readme? Where was I? Node API? No, it's not the Node API, is it? No, it's the main. With the patch. No, the API. Huh? The Node API? Here? Patch? Modify entry. There you go. Modify entry. If you want to aspects for the entry password, removing password, decrypting the file, changing the expiry, you can use modify. Okay. In the currently protected, change uses for the old password true. If the password is set, yeah, that's what I thought. A new custom expiry expires in upload file. I can't just set anything, right? Because it defaults to the maximum value. Okay. Make the file name hidden. For the new URL, check the response URL property. Check the response URL. So what does this respond with? It gives us the WAIFU response. So let's just try this and it's over. If it's working, then I'm gonna end the thing here with this. Let's try it like that. It's not a WAIFU response. Uh-oh. Looked at the response like 5 minutes ago. Well, 5 minutes is a long time, you know. I live in seconds and don't live with minutes, okay? It's too long to me. There's no way. Where is it? Oh no, we need a new schema. Oh, what is this? Where is that? Oh no, I hate you so much. Couldn't just make a WAIFU response. Why would you do that? Okay, close this, close this, close this, close this. And just go to the, where's the types? Oh my god. Where was it? Is it the same that I copy pasted here? Not gonna read the chat. I'm not gonna read the chat. Oh, I already deleted. Of course. No, it's not the same. It doesn't look like the same. No, it's a request. Fucking hell, where's the response? What are you talking about? What? Fuck. Oh wait, it does read. You fooled me. You bitch. You fooled me. Oh my. And I've been looking here for 5 minutes. Oh my god. Oh, just wait. Oh. I'm just way too tired. I'm way too tired for this. Okay, so it's a waifu response. So if I would have just run it instead of listening to you. Okay. You can. Okay, let's just run it. Let's see what's gonna happen. I don't care. Oh, it's a different endpoint, I guess. Rest is not found. What? Which one is it? Okay, so upload file is okay. This is okay. And the third one died somewhere. Yeah, that looks like a whatever. Okay, but the token. Oops. I think we need the token, no? Or? Oh no, it's Hey brother, it's not, but well, I need to pass the token, right? Either way. Oh god. And it's and it goes to, oh, please tell me it goes to the path. Yes. Oh my god. I'm not gonna read chat because you're just gonna, you know, just do response dot token. Token is a path. Okay. No, I'm not gonna do that. No. I'm gonna hard code it. Not gonna do hard response dot token. I'm just hard code it. Okay. Okay. What? Where was it? In the get. Let me just copy that. Where is it? Where is get? Why is it here? Oh, okay. It's just nothing. It's just a what, and a what, and a args. Okay, we will fix the like error checking. Args token. We'll do the error check later. We don't care about it right now. Okay, let's not run these. Let's not run these. I just want only this. Okay. It don't look like it's. It really don't look like it's a patch. To me. Just the hide file name. So okay. So, but I can't really test anything, so I need a new file and set password and whatever. Maybe the custom expiry. Let's say like 3 days. I can do that, right? Custom expiry, like, does it expect like maybe 3D? Does that work? Hide file name. Custom. Can I use it like this? Huh? I don't see any. I don't care. We're just gonna try it. Ding dong. Of course, the retention period is printed in whatever. So let's just request it. Well, it certainly didn't do anything. So my guess is that it didn't patch. This was not a patch. This was just a get. My guess is that this was just a get request and it did nothing. Or something is custom expiry. It looks okay. Or in the patch request we can't. Oh no. Well, wait. Something is fishy here. Okay, wait, whoa. Whoa. I can't just do that though. Hello. This is so wrong. Is this set, and just like that. Yeah. That was the problem, because I can't really set multiple. Okay. This is the hide file. It does work. Look at logs and you are doing a get. That's perfect. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I thought the put was the... That's what I said to you in the, you know, that... Do you think we will be able to do a patch? Do you really think we're going to be able to do a patch if we weren't able to do a put? It's not that simple. Probably something is missing here. Let me a quick Google, and I'm gonna go home. I'm fucking tired. It's 9:20 again. Oh my fucking god! I can't even get wasted. Okay, so it should look like this. Or it could be doing a patch with also nothing. Okay, let's quick Google that. PHP curl patch. Curl patch to API creating instead of updating. Does PHP? Okay, this is what we need. The actual entire word script running seems to be perfect. Patch. Oh no. Header out. What's this? Post fields. We do have that. Patch already is talking about it works for all the other APIs. Why is he making like a JSON whatever? Patch we know, but that would curl info. What's this? Curl info header out. It's HTTP header, and you do. But he has a bearer here, authentication, and content type is application JSON. But how does it? Okay, let me try something. Patch request not working. Oh, this looks very... I don't think it should be error, right? An object like it's been constant array record. I don't think it should be an array. What? Don't tell me. I need to do an std class and then JSON. Oh no, just no. I don't want to do that. Oh, do we have this by any chance? No, only the post fields. And I'm setting the post fields here. Maybe that was the problem. I don't think so, but let's just... Yeah, that wasn't the problem. Because this is now definitely correct. Alright, at least I sure hope so. Curl options, yeah, I'm not overriding the array. Not that. What are you doing? Custom request patch. It's there. Return transfer, okay. Oh, it's with the cook. What are they doing? Let's try. Okay. There should be an error rather than an object. Thanks for the help. I got it working. The reason was I did not need the records index. What? So you... Oh, this is... Oh... Well, it looks like it's like this. So just I could just JSON encode the arguments and just and hope for the best. Although there will be the token, but and just maybe. Okay, no care. No one asks you, PHP Stan. Something went wrong. Well, would you figure that something went wrong? That's something. Oh. But oh wait, that's the end of it. Advanced techniques to debug. Just a moment. What the fuck? This is HTML, but I can't. Hang on just a moment. What moment? The hell is that? It's like a Cloudflare. Where's the text? There's an image. I don't want to copy this. What the fuck? What are you? X-ray. Ray. Cloudflare. This is Cloudflare. It's a Cloudflare response. I see it. It's Ray. There you go. Challenge platform, bay, orchestrate, whatever. Yep. It's Cloudflare. It's Cloudflare. Okay. I might be challenged there because of my or it doesn't like this something. He just, yeah, it's a challenge. Just a moment. When it started just a moment, it's a captcha challenge. You trigger something. I may have triggered something though. Can you send me the HTML? Sure. It's definitely a challenge. Cloudflare. I probably triggered some sort of firewall bullshit. It happened to me. Okay, how do I make this 3? Oh, it wanna send it as a text file. Okay, sorry. For some reason. Because it's yeah, this is okay. I see. This is definitely only. This is definitely. What did I break this time? Well, you know, maybe it's some sort of fishy thing that I sent this, but maybe the header is missing, something in the header is missing, and Cloudflare didn't like it because I didn't explicitly said that I'm gonna do content type. So maybe I should, you know, set this. I'm not gonna repeat this request just now. So the header, and I'm not gonna send any cookies. That's just stupid. I'm just gonna say content type. It's JSON. Okay. Let me repeat this and see if now it just lets me through. I think it's just do some sort of PHP add. Yeah. Same thing. What if I just is this the first? This is the first request. No. Okay. Sorry. This is this request. Okay. What if I just want to get file? What did I do? What did I do? Oh, what is curl options? And what's not valid? With the get file info, which was working before. Come on, baby. Come on. Get file info. Oh, I put it in the wrong position. Okay, so I can't even, okay, I can't do that. Why did I put it here? I don't even understand. Okay, so let's just Okay, this works. Send me your IP. I whitelist you. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Give me a second. This was in the wrong. Okay, this should go here, but this HTTP header doesn't exist anymore. I think that's one of the issues here. Okay, I'm not doing the thing. Okay, I'll send you my IP. Please don't. I do not advise leaking yet. Because it's directly routed to the main from the, you know, from the ISP main whatever. So they will take it very seriously because there's some sensitive information like within this public IP address. So yeah, be careful. Okay, let's now try to figure it out. There's probably an alternative. Oh my god. Okay, that was the problem. Okay, you probably don't even need to whitelist me here. Okay, something happened here. Let me try this once again. The header was missing. Works! Works! Woo! There you go. Oh, damn. Maybe it wasn't because you whitelisted me because the header was missing. It was fishy and Cloudflare didn't like it. You will have to not whitelist me though, because what if I release this, and what if because of a missing header or something, someone tries to use this and gonna get the same treatment, you know? So for now it's okay, but later on, you know, you will have to blacklist. I mean, put me from the whitelist, you know, because it's not what we want. Okay, so we don't not gonna deal with this. We just encode the arguments and just patch, and you know, tomorrow, okay, tomorrow or Friday or whatever, when I'll have time. But yeah, okay. So this is how. I mean, tell me why do I need to JSON encode and set a JSON header to work with patch? I don't understand, but it's if you see the output, it's now 3 days. So 3D worked, definitely. Okay, so this was a patch for sure. Okay, so we have this, and tomorrow, okay? Okay, I will wait for you to remove the whitelist, and I will try it again. If you can remove it now, if you haven't closed it, just please remove it, and I will try it again. I'm really curious. You did remove, okay. Okay, let's try again. Yeah, it works. Let me change it to 1 day. Works. So it was the header. And if I remove the header, look. Boom, something went wrong. Okay, why am I printing? Where am I printing this? Oh, I still have this here. Oh, sorry. Like that. And let's remove the dump. We don't need that anymore. So it was that. And put back the header, everything works. Cloudflare just doesn't like it. Okay, so I need to be careful with that. Without the header, a patch request is fishy. It finds it fishy. Yeah. So we need to be careful. But other than that, it's almost ready. All we need is what's left. There's just tiny stuff left, and then just make it more decorative, more beautiful or whatnot. What's the delete? Okay, this is gonna be a piece of cake, I think. And also test the password or whatever. But I don't think I'm gonna validate a lot of data here. Just maybe just the passwords if it's empty, and the delete. Yeah, delete and get file. What? Get file. What's get file? Isn't it that? What's wrong with get file? It's not. Get the actual file. Oh. 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 Oh, it's a get file info. Oh, get the actual file. Okay. Well, okay. We will take a look at it. This is the file info. Oh, okay. I will name them accordingly because this is the wrong name then. No. This is get file info, but it should be just file info. Yeah. Okay. So where's the get file? Okay. Token, whatever. And what does this? A buffer. What does this return? Okay. It's not for today. It's whatever. It will return something and we will deal with it tomorrow. That might be a little bit problematic because I'm not sure what's just gonna happen with that. Maybe we will have to utilize that PHP input, whatever, when it just comes back. I'm not sure. I had to deal with that, so it's not gonna be a problem. I know it can be solved. Okay. So yeah, then we do some tests. Just do all this garbage. Test all the exceptions, make it like more beautiful, add types where it's missing and whatever, remove this garbage, write the readme, yes, of course, with all the examples and whatever, anything that's missing, maybe. And then if it goes well, then we post it on the composer package repository. And yeah, and it is done. Okay, so let me see if I can, what do we change here? I think I can safely say that I can remove these attributes folder. I don't need it anymore. And we probably won't use it. Not this. Singleton trait, it's fine. And the rest is, I think it's not tracked. Yep. Exceptions, there it is. Unversioned is the walker, that's perfectly fine. And so... okay, so what's this? It's just feet. Added a few more. What did we add? Added get file info, and what was the patch? Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, we comment, and I will need. And terminal and do a git push. You can't see it, but I will try. Git push. There you go. Went through. Let's make a check. Okay. There you go. Is there anything we don't need here? Stan, this can stay. Perfect. Perfect. Maybe this IML file. Maybe we don't need this. I think I will just put it on the git ignore next time. Or before the pull request. Okay, this is nice. Okay, very nice. Very nice. We'll do readme, whatever. It's gonna be awesome. We'll check this out. No, no! Shh. No sniffing today. Although my shoe is... I had it on all day, and even my back was sweating, man. And I had good beer sweat. I will have to sniff, right? I will have to sniff, right? Okay, just let me drink a bit of water. I will turn on the auxiliary heating in my car until that. Oh, I'm not even gonna do that. I'm live like 500 meters away, so why would I do that? Oh my god, the shoe sniffing. Okay, this is the best. This is the best. This is the best. Should I do it like this? Or should I be in jail? I think I will be here. Only reason you're here. Today, I promised myself I'm not gonna stream for 3 or 4 hours. I'm stream 3 hours and 25 minutes for no fucking reason. I mean, for this. I mean, we are all learning the secrets of PHP here and whatever. So yeah. So yeah, that's what happened. Okay. So my shoe. Oh, I don't want to do it, man. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, where's the music? I need to turn off the music. Yes. Okay. Okay. So the same shoe. By the way, I have one pair of shoes because I'm not a retard. I'm a man, and I buy shoes when I need them. Now, why would I need more than one shoe? I don't. So I have one shoe. I don't get women. Why do you need more than one shoe? One shoe is okay. And when it's done so, you get another shoe. That's how you do it. And because of that reason, this is really, really smelly. Like, this is not good. You have 43 pairs. Well, maybe you should do a sniffing stream, not me. Right? So, it was a pleasure doing work for you today. It really was. And basically, I will be just basically a broke dude who does charity. Right? Like Robin Hood. Maybe. Or someone like that. But it's fun. Of course, it's funnier if I do it. But I really appreciate everyone for tuning in. I hope to see you tomorrow. Until then, enjoy this very last moment of the stream where I'm gonna sniff my shoe again just because a girl told me on the internet. And please don't do it because someone tells you to, okay? Don't be like me. Don't be like me, like an idiot to do it. So without further ado, oh fuck! I can already smell it. I can already smell it. It's like spinach with really bad wine, and I feel yesterday's beers as I sweated the beers out. Oh my fucking god! It's oh no! I'm never gonna do this again. You know. It's not gonna happen. Fuck no. Oh my god. How can my wife live with me, man? Oh my fucking god, no. Oh my, no. No. We're done. Fuck you. Fuck you all. Have a great